So you're going to start by going to soundbible.com. And once that opens up, you have a search bar at the top, so you can search for whatever kind of sound that you want. So let's say I'm having a sword fight, so I'm going to search for the word metal swords. And unfortunately, that comes up with no results. So that doesn't mean there aren't any like that. It just means that I might need to change my search, and so I just searched for metal instead. And so you can see that that brings up a lot of different sounds. So I'm just going to go through and kind of listen to a couple and see if I can find one that I want to use. So I found one called Swords Collide, and that sounds good to me. So I'm going to actually click on the sound to open it up. And once I click on that sound, you can see I have the option to download it by clicking MP3. Don't press and hold, just click and then download. And you should see at your top screen, it gives you a little download letting you know that that's happened. So then you can open the Anchor app, click on Sounds, and then you're going to click on Import. It's going to pop up and let you choose from ones you've downloaded. So I choose Swords Collide, and then it imports it. And now you can add it to your podcast and move it around and put it wherever you want.